We'll call you
I want to call my mom.
We'll call your mom in a second.
Right now.
We'll call her in a second.
No, I'm done. Stop pushing me.
Go.
Stop pushing me. You're not pushing.
On April 13th, 2025, at 10:55 p.m., a driver named Summer nearly plowed into an active crash scene and almost struck emergency responders.
Hey, where you got going on? Come on. You're just trying to get home? Okay, just pull it right here in front of this, in front of this. And stop right there. Okay, can you shut it off for me? What's your name, dear?
No, I can't.
Huh? Can you tell me your name, dear? Huh?
Summer.
What's your name? Your name's Summer?
No, I only came here for a friend.
You came here for a
Yes.
friend? Can you hand me your key right here?
No, I just got done dealing with my LBI. Like, I could not do this again. I could not.
Okay, well, tell me what's going on.
I could not do this again.
Well, I don't know what you're talking about. Why are you saying that you just got done dealing with an OVI? I'm not talking about an OVI. You can't deal with another one?
No.
Okay, or
the only reason
why are
I'm
you saying
here
that?
in bulk because I need money because my house just got broken into. I got all my stolen from me.
Okay.
My driver's license. I just got it back on the.
So
I don't know. I just got my LBI.
Yeah.
Last November.
Right.
I'm gonna do this, please.
Okay.
I'll open it for you here.
Okay.
Here.
Okay, we're good. Can you hop out for me?
Yes. Okay. No, seriously, please. I cannot do an LBI again.
Okay.
I don't want to drive home. I don't want to.
much?
I don't want to go back to jail.
How much have you had to drink?
A few drinks.
Come over here for me.
Please, please.
I gotta get you out of the roadway. Look how far your car is to the roadway, Summer.
I don't want to do this. I don't want to.
Let's walk over here to the front.
Please do not make me go back to jail.
Look, we're gonna walk to the fire truck.
No.
Look, we can't be in the middle of the road. We're getting out of the middle of the road, okay? We're just gonna get out of the middle of the road, okay? We're gonna walk right over here with the firefighter and the EMT. Look, we gotta at least get out of the middle of the road.
I don't want to do this again. Please. Do you want me to call my mom?
For what?
From them? What the do you mean? I did this once before. Oh no, I can't listen to you because I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get my ass beat.
Hey, Summer, listen to me, Summer. Hey, who'd you come here with?
Please.
It's okay. Who'd you?
Please understand that I didn't come here to meet anybody.
I thought you came here.
Please. I cannot do this.
Who'd you come here to see?
Look at me, please. I cannot do this with my mom and my insurance.
Who'd you come here to see?
Can you please stop? Look, I will go home.
So
I just
where are
want
you
to
coming
go
from?
home.
Where are you coming from?
Thornville.
You didn't come here to meet anybody, right?
No.
Okay, where are you headed now?
Thornville.
You're coming from Thornville and you're headed to
And
Thornville.
I'm heading to Thornville, yes. I'm trying to tell you, like, I don't like this. Go back the up. I don't like it. I don't like that.
What's going on? So we're sitting here just walking the roadway for an accident that's all the way down there.
It's not.
Tell me how much you had to drink.
I've had enough.
How much is enough?
I don't know.
And this lady came up, I would say every bit of 80 miles an hour, almost sideswiped that car, almost hit our engine head on.
Because I only bought an appetizer and I don't drink and I don't know.
Where were you at? Saying that she can't go back to jail and he's being a sweetheart, and I don't know.
Right here. I didn't.
Were you at a bar? Were you?
I don't know because it's the first time I ever went there. I only bought chicken wings. That's it.
Head on. Hit the airport, she stopped, she immediately just has this breakdown.
I'm gonna sit on the front of this bumper for right now, okay? Are you with me? Are you with me?
Am I gonna get arrested for this?
I don't know why she's not in jail.
You guys don't give a about me. Tell me
I care about
home.
you. I care about everybody. Deputy, I care about you. So we're gonna go right in here. We're gonna sit on this. Okay?
No, you don't. And you don't. And you don't. No, you don't.
So
Let's go sit over here, okay?
Hey, we're gonna sit right
I
on the
don't
front of
care
the
what
fire.
you guys do. I just want to go home.
We're gonna sit right on the front of the fire.
Just cooperate right in front of the fire. As soon as you step over there, we'll get out of here.
Stop pushing me.
Go.
Stop pushing me. Stop pushing me.
We're gonna go right over this one. Over here for a second, okay? All right, stand up for me.
Don't get in my face.
Calm down, okay?
Well, don't get in my face then. How about that? And then I would not be get aggressive.
We'll call
I want to call my mom. I want to call my mom. No, I'm dead ass serious. And he's so rude to me. Stop it.
Get in the car.
Hey, you.
Why don't you calm down?
No.
Calm down.
He's so...
Calm down. Calm down.
What we got? Oh, what do you think we got, Bobby? Who wants to drive a Mercedes?
Not me.
The interaction descended into a chaotic struggle as Summer panicked, screamed that she couldn't go back to jail, and physically fought officers until they were forced to apply a hobble strap.
You alright?
Nope, I'm sure the not. Please stop, please. Please, can I please stop? It's hurting me.
Put your hand behind your back and
It is, it is.
you gotta put this one behind your back.
Okay, but they hurt. They hurt. They hurt.
Let me adjust them. She wasn't even a part of the...
No, she
Code
came
4.
up the road and almost hit us.
Wow.
Sorry.
Don't try and escape again.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
And then somebody said she was driving like 100 up the road.
No, I'm crazy.
But yeah, she almost like hit us. She like came in here and then like wouldn't stop. You're fine.
Like I said, do not put those in your front. Where's the other car?
It's down there. Yeah, it's in the field, bud.
That's fine. Whatever you guys need help with. I was just talking to her. We were trying to escort her in front of the fire truck. She shoved me. Like, I wasn't putting her around. I put her in her hand.
You take care of your code 4 that you started on.
That was the original car.
All right, so why don't you handle me? We'll handle her with motorsport, Miss Motorsport. Okay, wants to help. Okay, with you.
Quit with the handcuffs.
I'm not.
Put your freaking...
Look.
Put your hands behind your back. And quit getting out of my cuffs.
Please, can I ask you one question?
Put your hands behind your back. And
Why are you such a dick?
Put your hands behind your back.
Please, 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 please.
Get in the car.
Ouch! Why is that a piece of
Hey!
Oh, I love my
You're about to get tased. Now sit down in the car and shut up.
job. I love my job.
Get in the car and sit down and
I
shut up.
said okay, you stupid.
You kick me again.
Please stop.
Kick me again, we're gonna have a problem.
Summer, what are you doing? Summer, I need you to, can you sit up for me?
No, because you're gonna be mad.
No.
Yes, you are.
Are we supposed to call her for you?
You want to call her? Call her.
Didn't you
And
ask me?
she'll tell you if you be.
She's not gonna do field sobriety.
I know.
Well, I thought you wanted me to call her for you.
Go ahead and call her.
What's your mom's phone number?
I don't give a.
Don't know.
Nope,
You want
I don't give a. But she's gonna find out one way or another about
that.
you.
What?
I don't give a.
Okay,
So shut the door and call my f***ing mom. How? 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 How?
listen, calm down.
Then we'll help
The problem is that
Siri.
I cannot help you.
Siri, shut the f*** up.
I cannot help you
Hey
when you're taking.
Siri. Yeah. You wanna tell me how?
We got all day. We're gonna be patient. Summer.
slipping out.
Summer. Can I help you when you're
Hey
taking?
Siri, come on
Trying to
speakerphone.
hobble strap.
Summer. Summer.
Yo. Yes.
Summer. Hey, bro. Can you give us hobble straps?
Alright, we'll help you roll over. You gotta work with us, alright?
Well, they're currently fighting her, so you could go help them, actually.
Until you cooperate and calm down, I'm not letting go of these ankles. Do you understand?
Actually, if you don't mind.
Okay, roll over.
No. Who is that? What do you mean I need to do this?
Just sit up.
Do you see where my hands are?
All right, so whatever the case is, since she's really 2-4, possibly choking and stuff, we'll get her going as quick as we can. Is all I was saying.
Now sit up and put your feet down.
My feet are
Put
down.
them on the ground, okay?
Put them on the ground.
They are on the ground, dude. I don't want to know what
Wait, hold on. Time out.
No, take my hands off. Take my hands out.
Keep an eye on her because she's slobbering a lot. And if need be, keep an eye on her.
Yeah.
That way she starts choking or anything.
Okay. Something I gotta read to you, alright? So I'm gonna set this on your lap, okay?
No, I'm not here.
Onto the influence.
I know, I will have to pay. I know.
You kick him,
I won't kick him because I'm
then
short.
stop. Do you understand? You can have more charges.
I'm sorry.
Reasonable means are necessary. So that's a no. And also, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can't
Can you please leave me alone? That's great!
Ma'am, do you want to submit to a chemical test?
You understand those rights, ma'am?
Nope, I want you to leave me alone.
Alright, well,
Get out of my face!
alright.
Alright, here's what we're going to do. You're going to get out, you're going to follow me around to these doors, okay? I don't want any issues.
Wait, hold on,
I'm not going to pull up your pants.
Can I pull
If
it
you can.
Please pull it
Can. Come on.
But I'm trying to pull my pants up the best you can, you told me.
Following the arrest on April 13, 2025, Summer was transported to the county jail for formal booking and chemical testing. Her late-night decision to drive directly into an active, emergency-marked traffic crash scene endangered responding officers and severely disrupted an ongoing public safety operation. In court, the body camera footage provided absolute clarity regarding the severity of her actions. The recording captured her erratic driving as she nearly collided with emergency vehicles and personnel, followed by her immediate hostility, physical aggression, and repeated outbursts about not wanting to return to jail. Her persistent physical resistance while in custody ultimately forced officers to deploy a hobble strap to maintain control and safely complete her processing. The video also clearly documented her refusal to cooperate with the post-arrest chemical tests. Ultimately, Summer was convicted of operating a vehicle impaired, OVI, and disorderly conduct, leading to mandatory probation, heavy fines, and a suspension of her driver's license. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.